welcome back. Following on from our introduction, this is section 1, which is named Access, and this video is specifically for our full service clients. So if you're a self-count client, please watch the other video. So what do we mean by access? Well, you are fortunate in that either you or your owner has selected to use BarEye's full service system. What that means is that we will complete all inventory related tasks for you. We'll do all the counting, all the data entry, run the point of sales report for you. So you really get a full service, you don't have to waste your time doing this. You'll just get a nice, detailed, accurate report, and you can, rather than spending hours doing inventory, hopefully you can use that report actively to do a better job to make your bar more profitable, to be more efficient in how you're running things. On the flip side, we just need a few basic things from you, and most crucially, we need to have independent access to the building, to everywhere you keep product, so we can do our thing. We can get in early in the morning, do our counting before sometimes you guys are open. And so what we require for this is we need to have our own set of keys which provides us access to all areas where product is stored. So we need a key for the front door, we need a key for any bar coolers, we need a key for the liquor storage area, and we need a key for the office if the point of sale, the back of house point of sale is locked in there. And if we have all of those things, we'll be able to complete the whole process in the morning nice and early, so that when you come in we can perhaps check a couple of items, but it's really important that we have that independent access. The only exception to front door key is if your kitchen guys are regularly there by 6 a.m., then that works for us. We don't always get there at 6 a.m., but we find that it's important that we have the ability to get there by 6 a.m. because when it's holiday weeks, or there's other log jams or things, it makes it a lot easier if we can be independent and have a bit of flexibility in the time that we come into the bar. So thank you in advance. Obviously, there's a small cost and a bit of energy required to cut us keys, but for us to do our job, we need that. So thank you. And then the second piece is obviously we need access to the building and to the storage areas to count. Another piece of the puzzle is to run the sales report to see what was sold during the period. And so it's important that we have our own dedicated point of sale password. So often we are given someone else's login information, which works okay. The problem with that is that when they change their password, and many point of sale systems will force you to change your password periodically, often we're not told what the updated password is, meaning that we can't get in, and if we can't run the sales report, we can't do our error checking. So we really want to have our own dedicated login. Normally with most systems it doesn't take more than 5 minutes to set up a dedicated login, and the other advantage of giving us a dedicated login is you will be able to monitor or track how often we log in or what reports we're pulling, just to verify that we're not doing anything that we shouldn't be doing. Obviously we're just interested in doing your inventory for you. So this one's nice and short. Thank you for watching. That's the access piece. We want our own set of keys for everywhere in the building where product is kept, and we'd like our own dedicated point of sale login password. So as always, thanks for watching. Next up, section 2.